Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to do a full screen TikTok video on Capcut in 2022. First, you need to download Capcut, click Capcut, select new project, and then choose a photos. Here, a flower, Joey, a puppy, a flower again, and then a puppy. Add 5 photo, and then it's already in a full screen not yet, so we're gonna pinch and then pinch the photo, pinch it again into full size and then full size, and then for that, to post it in on TikTok, choose format, and then for that you choose 9.16 by 16, or 5 by 8, but 9 by 16 I guess is for TikTok, so yep. Random photos for TikTok, a puppy, and that's it. I hope this video helps, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.